Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have a Chi transmitter module, a stable 5V/2A adapter, copper enameled wire, and a ferrite backing. Start winding the primary coil now. Make 8 to 10 tight turns at 20 to 25 mm diameter. Once done, strip and tin the ends, then solder the coil leads to the module's TX pads. This provides the oscillating magnetic field needed. Make sure to clamp the coil flat and verify continuity with a multimeter before proceeding to assembly. Next, you mount the transmitter module on a small PCB or perf board and position the coil directly over the module's TX area, ensuring alignment for efficient coupling. Add the recommended decoupling capacitor, secure a ferrite sheet under the coil to focus flux, and solder all joints cleanly to avoid heating losses. Once assembled, power the module with 5V and observe idle current and status LED. This verifies oscillation before you place a phone on top, and it prevents damaging components if miswired. For the final steps, mount the coil and module inside a plastic or wooden enclosure, keeping 1 to 3 millimeters of non-metallic spacing between coil and phone for optimal transmission. Once enclosed, test with your phone and shift the coil slightly until charging current peaks. This fine-tuning maximizes efficiency because alignment changes coupling. If the phone does not charge, recheck solder joints, confirm module power polarity, count coil turns, and ensure the ferrite sheet isn't missing. These fixes resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.